Comments are welcome on the program. Remember to like our Facebook page and our YouTube channel and be the first to see as it happens. Watching TV on the go. Sly Media TV. Building bridges. Your views and comments are welcome on the program. Remember to like our Facebook page and our YouTube channel and be the first to see as it happens. Watching TV on the go. Sly Media TV. Building bridges.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين صدق الله العظيم. The elders of the Asian community, I recognize Mr. Sapa, Mr. Han, Mr. Patel, and Professor Patel. Members according to the panel, Comrade Viveria Zema, our Secretary for Health in the past, Comrade Omega Assad, Spanish Way, our Deputy National Operations Officer, the Minister for Harare Metropolitan Province, thrilled, happy, I don't know how to express myself. I had planned to meet a very small group, but now the hall is full. Well, that is what it should be. But let me thank you all for coming. More important to our Asian community, both from the Indian and the Pakistanis. It is our intention as the new dispensation that we interact with everyone in Zimbabwe, in the country. So, together, we come up with the way forward for Zimbabwe. Because Zimbabwe is our country. Zimbabwe is for everyone. If we are to develop Zimbabwe, we must be united. That is the first and foremost thing. Work together. And whatever we do, we must do it together. So I come here to represent our First Secretary of the ruling party, our President of the ruling party, the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, and the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe on the 31st of July when we have voted. I appreciate the role played by the Asian community. from yesteryears to the present day. Today we talk of Senator Kandabai Patel, who is our national hero. He came from this community. Professor Has Patel, who was also our ambassador to Australia, is from this community. And a special thanks to Professor, because he was also my lecturer. So this community has done quite a lot. Honorable Josh Oma, our ZANU PF candidate for Mwenezi East, is from this community. We have two prominent members who are in the judiciary. One is still in the judiciary in the Supreme Court of Zimbabwe, Honorable Justice Bharat Patel, and retired Justice Ahmed Ibrahim. They all are from this community. They served and still serving in our Supreme Court. You have contributed immensely to the building of our Zimbabwe we want, our beautiful Zimbabwe. And let's together continue with that spirit, with that zeal, with that togetherness, so that we create the Zimbabwe we all want. Ndiri kuti pano kunemi ava vamwe vedu vechi-Asian tagara navo, tasenza navo. Vaisa vanhu vanoremekedzwa mubato redu reZANU PF, muhurumende yatanga tichiyanga iri ichitungamirirwa neZANU PF. Vamwe vanga vari kuhurumende like majudges, vanana Judge Justice Patel, Justice Ibrahim. Vamwe vakatimiririra mumatare eParliament. Tina Comrade Honorable Joseph Oma kumasvingo. Professor Patel vanga vari mumiriri wedu wenyika yedu ku Australia. Saka vanhu vatashanda navo kubva pavapinda muno muna 1890 vangotorwa sevashandi kuma plantations uko kuNatal yava KwaZulu nhasi. Vakauya vakashanda nesu muno. Nguva yatatanga zvematongerwo enyika, vakauyawo vakashanda nesu kupa mari, kubatsira ma-eri nationalist yedu kuti basa rematongerwo enyika risimuke muno muZimbabwe. Patanga hondo taiwe navo, mukurwiwa kwayo takanga tiri tese kusvikira pama hondo yapera. And so How did this community come about? 1890, from the plantation workers in South Africa during the British colonial rule. And then the few marched to then Southern Rhodesia. And from there we've been together. You are Zimbabweans. As you joined our struggle and joined the structures of the liberation movements, we are now going this 30th of July this year for the harmonized elections. After